Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about famous travelers to India. We travel to different places to explore them. We admire the natural beauty of these places. We come across the culture, history, local language, people, and their lifestyle while traveling to a new place. Here we will talk about different travelers to India. First of all, we will talk about Fahin. He was a Chinese Buddhist monk who traveled to India during the reign of Chandragupta II. He visited the first place of Gautam Buddha at Lumbini. His journey to India and its neighboring countries has been described in a traveler called A Record of Buddhist Kingdoms. In this book, he wrote about the history and geography of India and other places he traveled to from a Buddhist viewpoint. Megasthenes. He was a Greek traveler who came to India during the reign of Mauryan king Chandragupta Maurya. He was the first foreign ambassador on Indian soil. He was sent by his king Seleucus Nicator as a part of the peace treaty after a war between the two. During his visit, he wrote the book Indica. In this book, he gave a detailed account of the rule of Chandragupta Maurya and the people of India. Marco Polo. He was a merchant traveler from Italy. He traveled to India while on journey towards the Far East and wrote his experiences in his book The Travels of Marco Polo. He was the first European to give a detailed account of the countries of the Far East including India. Hun Sen. He was a Chinese Buddhist monk who traveled to India during the reign of King Harshvardhan. During his 17 years journey on Indian land, he gathered information about India and recorded it in his book Great Tang Records on Western Regions. Vasco da Gama. He was the first European to reach India by sea. He was a Portuguese traveler and discovered the sea route to India from Europe. That is why his journey to India is considered a milestone in world history. He opened up a vast arena of trade and exchange of cultures through the sea route between Asia and Europe. Thank you.